Hey there guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is like midnight literally. I had to pick this up earlier and then I had to go to work. I didn't have time to open it, but we got the WWE 2K19 Wooooo edition. And we're gonna unbox it right now. Look at that. So it includes WWE 2K19 Deluxe Edition, Season Pass, Wooooo Edition, bonus digital content, Ronda Rousey, Rey Mysterio playable characters, exclusive WWE Supercard content, exclusive individually numbered WWE Hall of Fame replica ring, exclusive commemorative plaque featuring a piece of a robe worn by Ric Flair, exclusive styling profile of Ric Flair Funko doll. Xbox One X enhanced. Let's get into it. This is the WWE 2K19 Deluxe Edition. I didn't get the Collector's Edition last year, I just got the Deluxe Edition. So, I'm probably not going to be able to play it tonight because it's really late, so. This video will be uploaded at 11, so you guys are seeing it technically on the same day I'm uploading this, at just nighttime. Got a WWE exclusive sticker. Oh. Nothing like I'm actually gonna have to keep this box. It's like really fucking cool. Okay. Ooh. DVD 2K19, you got 2K logo. Ooh, it's got that new smell too. Okay, as you open it up. Okay, let's take out the game first. There it is, WWE 2K19. Got the $1 Million Challenge rules. Okay, I'll take a look at that actually in a second. Let's get into the nitty-gritty stuff of this box. Ooh. Ooh. Got the ring. I'll be very careful. It's got that kind of package feeling. Ooh. That's actually really cool. It's got WWE 2K19 there. Oh, it's actually pretty. Dang. Dang, that's actually really fucking cool. Wait, what the heck? I thought I was stuck my finger for that. That's actually really cool. I'll put that right over here. Oh. Here we go. I've been waiting for this. Ric Flair, the exclusive Funko Pop, which we're going to put that right over there. It's got that new smell too. Okay, what else do we got? Okay, and you got the Charlotte Flair, Ric Flair. It's like a super card thing. Okay, I think this is the last thing in the box. I'm guessing this is a plaque. Ooh. Ooh. Here, I'll take it out. I'm gonna put it back in the case now. Sorry, I smell like legit everything. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this box. I really wish the last collector's edition I got was 2K14. It was like the Phenom edition. I really wish I kept that case. With the collectible steel tin case it came with. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one in here though. Right over here. I'll trim it up though. Okay, I'm actually gonna save this sticker. Yeah, it's got this. Oh, the binding's different too. This binding's more of a interesting. Okay, you got the disc, and then you got the deluxe edition pack. You got the AJ Styles code. And you got the WWE 2K19 booklet. Let's actually compare the insides from last year's game. I still have the stuff from last year in there. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna pop on my Xbox actually right now and get these downloaded. Hey guys, subscribe for content, link description below. Drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Fun times, and I'll see you guys in the next video.